Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to promote your business using Pinterest. Pinterest is a different platform, guys, so different things are working. It's not just your average shorts or average post. Let me show you what I even mean. I found out this particular commercial over here while I was scrolling. Do you see this small like an iPad setup with an iPhone, everything black setup, right? You might be thinking these guys are selling either covers, or they're selling probably a setup kit, or they're selling some of these like arrangements. When you click on it, you will find out that these people are actually selling a program, right? They're selling tube monetization and automation program. So essentially the idea over here is that you could market your product in a way in which it's not obvious what you're selling, but it's obvious what people are going to click on. People who are going to click on this particular ad are people into tech, people who are more or less savvy, people who want to learn more about either Apple, iPads, or they simply love gadgets. So I don't know why they picked this, but you, as you may have guessed, might not agree that this is the best picture to attract attention for people who are interested in buying a program, right? But guess what? The success story over here is that they made us to click and to learn more about their product or service, right? Very important over here, guys. There are other people who are using similar strategy, but they're most likely making much more money. What I'm even saying. If you look at over here, look at this. Portable iPad setup. This is what you expect to have as a sales pitch or sales offer when you click on a picture that represents an iPad setup, something that we saw in the previous image, right? What is the likelihood of getting conversion on this picture versus the previous picture? It's much higher, simply because you have all of these products underneath listed. You have all the people in the community that are most likely interested in purchasing any of those. Also, you want to pay attention to the actual description and metadata. We have the setup for the iPad. We have iPad Pro. And essentially, when you go over here, as funny as it sounds, the same guy that promotes the automation program is popping up over here, but it's not selling the actual accessories, right? So this is what I'm trying to highlight over here, guys. You want to make sure that you really target the right audience with the right content. Don't try just to clickbait people, giving them expectations of you're selling A, but you're essentially selling B. Don't let people to think that you have, this particular product on stock or sale on this particular product, and while you're selling something completely different. This will make people to click off, and this will send a very strong message to the Pinterest algorithm and will simply push your content down. So make sure, point number one, always use relevant pictures, always use relevant associations with your product or service that you're selling. For example, for this guy, I'm going to give you like a brief, setup. If you're really selling a program, you could simply, put a small picture of a contract, right? Like a drawing of a contract, and you could say, learn how to make X amount of money by taking this course or taking this program, and that's it. People who are into learning online and making money, they will join, they will follow you, they will look at your stuff. Probably they're gonna click on the course, they will look the chapters, right? The whole description. And this is how you get higher conversion rate. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.